Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Spruce Health, accessible at www.sprucehealth.com, provides a platform aimed at streamlining communication in healthcare. It functions as a central hub where healthcare providers can connect with their patients through various channels like text messaging, video calls, and phone calls. This centralized system allows for more efficient care coordination, appointment scheduling, and even billing processes. Furthermore, Spruce offers secure messaging options compliant with HIPAA regulations, ensuring patient privacy is prioritized. This is particularly beneficial for managing sensitive medical information and maintaining confidentiality. One of Spruce's key features is its ability to integrate with existing electronic health record (EHR) systems. This integration facilitates a seamless flow of information, preventing data silos and improving overall efficiency. By connecting with EHRs, Spruce streamlines administrative tasks, reducing the time spent on manual data entry and retrieval. This allows healthcare professionals to dedicate more time to patient care and less time on administrative burdens. Moreover, Spruce Health offers customized solutions catered to different medical specialties. This tailored approach recognizes that the communication needs of a dermatologist, for example, may differ significantly from those of a mental health professional. By addressing these unique requirements, Spruce helps various healthcare providers optimize their communication strategies and enhance patient engagement. The platform also facilitates team collaboration, enabling seamless communication amongst healthcare providers within a practice or across different organizations. This enhanced collaboration contributes to better care coordination and improves the patient experience. Spruce also offers features like automated appointment reminders and patient self-scheduling. These tools empower patients to take a more active role in managing their healthcare, leading to increased satisfaction and adherence to treatment plans. The automation of these tasks also frees up administrative staff, allowing them to focus on more complex responsibilities. In essence, Spruce Health provides a comprehensive communication solution that aims to improve efficiency, enhance patient engagement, and streamline workflows in the healthcare industry. Its focus on security, integration, and customization makes it a valuable tool for modern healthcare practices looking to optimize their communication strategies.